Let's see how to assemble our robotics kit. Our robotics kit includes the following components: 1 chassis, 2 metal brackets, 2 motors, 2 wheels, 1 mini ball caster, 1 motor driver, 7 connecting wires, 2 sensor modules, 2 infrared LEDs, 2 infrared sensors, 2 light sensors, 2 9-volt batteries, 1 battery connector, 4 long screws, 8 short screws, 4 acrylic washers, 12 nuts, and a screwdriver. Step 1. Fix the metal brackets onto the chassis with the help of screws and nuts. Use the screwdriver provided with the kit to tighten the screws. Step 2. Remove the red plastic cover. And then push the metal part out of the paper packing. Now put the red plastic cover back on as shown here. Step 3. Peel off the double-sided tape. And secure the ball caster on the bottom side of the chassis. Towards the front. Step 4. Place the motor on the metal bracket aligning their holes. Then fix the motor with the help of screws and nuts. Step 5. Align the wheels and then press them to insert onto the shafts of the motors. And secure the wheels with the help of screws. Step 6. Place the washers on the chassis. And place the motor driver on the washers, aligning the respective holes. Now secure the motor driver with the help of screws and nuts. Step 7. Connect the motor wires to the motor driver by unscrewing the connectors and inserting the wires. And then tighten the screws back. Step 8. Connect the battery connector's red wire to the left connector of the motor driver, and the black wire to the right connector, by unscrewing the connectors and inserting the wires. And then tighten the screws back. Step 9. Place the washers on the chassis. And place the sensor modules on the washers, aligning the respective holes. Now secure the sensor modules with the help of screws and nuts. Step 10. Connect the sensor modules to the motor driver by inserting the connecting wires into the header pin. And connect the 9-volt battery to the battery connector. Our robot is finally assembled. Now let us connect the sensors and watch it in action.